All right, let's look at the homework 5.3, problem number 4. All right, so let's evaluate this integral. All right, so we want to find the antiderivative. Before we do that, we're going to split this integrand into two smaller fractions. So we're going to have, say, this is going to be equal to integral from 1 to 16, right? X divided by square root of x is square root of x, which is x to the 1/2 power, right? Negative 7, 1 over square root of x is x to the negative 1/2 power, right? Then with respect to x, right? So antiderivative is going to be, since it's just a power rule, add 1 to the power 3/2. Divide by 3/2 is same thing as multiply by 2/3, right? So you have a negative 7, right? Add 1 to the power, so it's going to be negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. Divide by 1/2 is multiply by 2, right? So we have that. Then going from 1 to 16, right? So then we can just plug in, right? So you have a 2/3. Right, plug in 16. 16, take the square root. 4 cubed is 64. Right? Minus 7 times 2 is 14. And times square root of 16 is 4. Right? Minus, right? So plugging 1, 2/3. And plugging 1, negative 14. Right? So what you get is going to be, let's see, so this is 128 over 3, right? Then this guy right here is 4 times 4 is 16, and so it's a 56, so it's a this is negative 56, and then you're adding 14 to it, right? So adding 14 to it, so it's going to be negative 42, right? Then we are subtracting 2/3, right? Which is going to be 126 over 3 minus 42. Right, luckily we can cancel, so it's going to be a 42 minus 42, right? So this actually happens to be 0. Right, so let's type it in. So this came out to be 0. Right, submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.